So we are going to go through this information. Some of us are aware of one of the commander called Zuma, that the report has it that he's no more, that they kpied him. And many of us don't know anything about him. We only follow what is on social media, like I always tell you. So don't hold us on anything, because this is just a reaction video that we are doing just for people to understand, to know the truth, to understand what happened. So the person that we are on his platform is Prince Oscar Ugeze official. I believe he's one of the people that knows what is going on. So let me end it there. He said this: before you mourn for the so-called Zuma, first know who Zuma is. Let me ask you a question. Do you know who Zuma is? Have you heard about that name before? Not until on December 2024. Zuma is a former ESN commander. He worked with IPOB DOS ESN and established their own camps. He is not with Biafran Liberation Army, Biafran resistance fighters, others. Zuma is just out there doing his own thing. Don't allow those in Ogenkere camp and that idiot called Royce fool you with that name. Nobody sold anybody out. When you are working against the spirit of the land of Biafra, doom is your last name. Don't be too fast to don't be too fast to always jump into conclusion out of hatred, wickedness, and envy. Investigate first. Shalom. Now, this thing he said here made some people begin to wonder what is going on. And this is the person that made this post. Look at him here, meaning that he is one of the commander of Biafran Liberation Army. That is Prince Oscar. So down here, somebody made a post, as you can see here, and the person said, since November, even when PM was around, that Chinasa Wonru made this post since November. And that post, he exposed more. He released more information on who this Zuma is. Who is the Zuma? Okay? Chinasawo said this: I wonder why the chief criminal is not giving the public update on these two criminals, Zuma and Chinasa, on how they are enjoying their new residence. I told them crime does not pay, and IPOB ESN will never encourage or accommodate or tolerate any crime in any crime in any entity that engage in buying, kidnapping, and destroying Biafra land. If you know you are in contact with these criminals, just know that you are in for a long time. You are in for a very long thing. That's what Chinasa said here. But the person, this is Zuma. You can see his picture here. And this is Chinasa that he called criminal. So it happened that these two people are brothers and sisters. According to some comments that we are going to see here, it happened that they are brothers and sisters. So let us go through that. Okay, let us go through that, because sometimes we need to be sure of what we are saying. Let me bring this one here. Let me see how we can get this. Okay, just a moment, because I'm trying to get all the information that we need actually. So here is the response from comments that we need to go through. According to Oscar, the person that made the post initially, which is, look at him here, okay? Look at him here. So The comment he made here is this. He said, IPOBDS know all these guys, ESN commander. They work with them when Master Mekano was still here. They have their camp location, phone numbers, and families' houses. So it is easier to sow them out and collect the money when things does not go well. Are you getting the point? Then the one that shocked me is this one. But before we go to that, let me say something here. Remember, the person that making this comment is an insider, not like us. Okay, our own is to bring it to social media. But this person that making this comment knows a lot, have a lot of information that we don't have. Okay, watching from afar. He's telling you that DOS, all of them, they know the information and details of those guys, and to sell them is very as simple as ABC. Now, let me say this. Chinasa is junior sister to Zuma, meaning that this lady here, look at her, this lady here is junior sister to Zuma. This is Zuma. And this Zuma now, Nigerian security forces captured him and Kpai him. Okay? According to the report. When they captured him is when Chinasa Woru made this post that you are seeing here. Celebrating in jubilation. But the question is, why? Why is he celebrating the arrest or buying of this guy since he's not working, in Biafra Liberation Army? It could be because the person may have refused to carry out some dirty job, and they just hand the person over to Nigerian security forces. Because there's a lot of news like that in the past. But we don't have evidence to back it up, so we are not going to dwell on that. Let me say this. Chinasa they will not Chinasa Wolu, the lady that I just showed you his picture, I just showed you her picture rather, who happened to be a junior sister to Zuma. He said, Chinasa is the junior sister to Zuma. It is very painful seeing us destroying ourselves to the glory of Nigeria. I was the doctor. The person making this comment said that I was a doctor that navigates around Biafra treating injured ESN personnel until I was told to stop going to treat. Some people were meant to die. Was response I got. So they told him, don't treat them again because some of them are meant to die. From the people that are fighting, DOS members, are the ones saying this kind of thing. Are you getting the point? That some people are meant to die. Then he said something again. He said, I left after sustaining armored tank gun injury. Imo was the last province I served. From Ikonso to the last person died systematically by their recruiter, IPOB DOS, under IPOB DOS orders. Are you getting it now? They will recruit you, and they will be the one to send the person to judgment. Hi. Nah, you may think they don't have willing tools in BDF, that's different defense force. You may think they don't have willing tools in different defense force already, ready to buy anyone they wish to buy. This comment is the reason why I said to write on this. These have proven everything that PM said about the atrocities of those called DOS and their group. Can you imagine that? You recruit somebody and you be the one to determine when the person will buy. Anybody that Chinasa Woru is against, the person is doing well. Chinasa Woru has been calling out our men on grand criminals. So let us leave this Chinasa Woru tweet rather. They're the one. Okay, what they say? They are the one giving the Zoom Nigerian information against our men. Butozo should not be grading. Okay, and this video is not about Butozo, so let me not just dwell on that. So what do you know about the situation of Zuma? A brother and sister falling together is shocking. And I wonder why she choose to actually join this kind of battle. I mean, a woman should understand that. I'm not supportive of women to be in this kind of movement, like as in men on ground. I'm not in support of that. Everything has limit, but I'm not dictating for anybody. But they have their life to live, right? So, what do you know about it? What is your take on this? Maybe you know something that we don't know. You may share it with us. A lot of comment is here. So many comments of them. So many of them. And look at him. How old is this boy? And that girl. Look at his eyes. You will agree with this boy are all addicted. Yeah, you may say that, but he's one of the men on ground, so you don't need to go through that. It's not you think a Jeremiah go come also. These are something you don't know. Anyway, my bro, thank you for your time. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you can. Very, very important for us. Give this a thumbs up and tell us what you think about all we have discussed so far. God bless you. See you again. Bye bye for now.